How do we create scalable and sustainable AI solutions? The key is focusing on augmentation. Here's how. Start with real challenges. Identify areas where AI can enhance what we do, not replace it, like reducing manual work or improving decision making. Focus on human-AI collaboration. The best solution combine human creativity with AI efficiency. Leverage AI strength. Use its ability to analyze patterns, predict outcomes, and personalize experiences to create meaningful solutions. Think big, act responsibly. Design systems that can grow across industries while being ethical and sustainable. Here are some ways AI augmentation is changing the game. In healthcare, AI supports doctors by analyzing patient data on monitoring health records, helping both humans and pets live healthier lives. In education, AI adapts learning to each student, making lifelong education more accessible and engaging. In sustainability, AI augments our ability to optimize energy usage, minimize waste, and protect our planet. AI augmentation is about more than technology. It's about empowering us to achieve more. Together, with AI as our partner, we can create solutions that are scalable, sustainable, and life-changing. Imagine a world where AI collaborates with us, amplifying our abilities and unlocking new possibilities. It works alongside us, making life smarter, easier, and more fulfilling. This is the essence of AI augmentation, enhancing our potential in ways we never imagined.